To construct a square inside of a circle, first we'll need a circle. So let's go ahead and create one. Mark your center. Create a decent sized circle. Remember, we're creating a shape inside of it, so we need to have some room to work. I'm going to make mine with a 2-inch radius. There we go. There's my circle. Now, since we have the center, if I put a point out here, anywhere I want on my circle, I can connect that point on the circle to the center and create a radius. Or if I keep going and go all the way through, I'm going to create a diameter. The diameter is actually what I need right now. Here I have a diameter. I've chopped my circle exactly in half so that this side is the exact same size as that side, or congruent. Now, I have 2 endpoints here out on my circle. So if I spin my paper here, what I have is a nice little line segment. If I do my bisector construction and bisect this segment, I'm going to bisect it, which means I'm going to create a line right through this middle, right through the center. It's also going to be 90 degrees, which is exactly what I need, so that it'll chop my circle into 4 even pieces. Go ahead and do the bisector construction. Line up the brass ring with one of the endpoints on your circle. Go beyond halfway across your line segment that you're trying to chop in half, or bisect, and make a little arc above, a little arc below. Remember which setting you used. For me, it's the 2.5 mark here. Come to the other end here, brass ring on the end point, same thing, 2.5 mark, 2.5 mark. I have a crisscross above and below my line that I'm trying to bisect. If I connect the 2 points, just like so, I'm going to have that perpendicular bisector, which gives me 2 more endpoints out on my circle. Now I have 4 of them, and they're all evenly spaced around my circle, which means if I connect the 4 of them, I'm going to end up with a nice square that goes inside the circle. And if you guys notice, those 2 diameters that we drew in there, those create the diagonals of the square. Just an extra little fact. And there's your square inside of a circle.